How to register Betway account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can register for a Betway account, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you'd like to register or create a Betway account, go to betway.com. I'll also make sure to drop a link below. Once you're here, click the sign up option from the top right hand side of the screen. Once you click the sign up option, here you'll be able to find the option to enter the username. So basically just go ahead and then actually enter your username here. Then after that it will ask you to simply enter a password. So make sure to choose a strong password and also make sure to go ahead and then basically confirm your password. Once you've done that, it will ask you to enter the email. So make sure to enter the email address you would like to use for your Betway account and then click the next option. After that, choose your first name, your last name, as well as also your date of birth. And inside this date of birth, make sure that you're basically at least over 18 years of age. So if you don't enter a date of birth that will make you over 18 years of age, you will not be able to sign up on it. And select your country and then click on next. After that, enter your address as well as also your city over here, as you would be able to find it. And then make sure to also enter your phone number. Once you've done that, you can simply select your daily limit or whatever else you prefer over here. Now once you've done this, you can also make sure to enter your preferred language and whatever else. You can agree to the terms and conditions. Click on the register option. After you've done this, final step will require you to verify your email or phone number. Once you've done that, your Betway account will get successfully created. And this way you'll be able to create your Betway account. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.